You're searching how to buy shares of ImageneBio Inc. This video will show the steps to locate IMA on NASDAQ and open a position, and it is educational in nature, not financial advice. To trade, you'll need a broker, and I'll use eToro as a neutral example. After registering, you must verify your account, which usually requires a government ID, and add funds to place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IMA to find a listing, then make sure you select ImageneBio Inc. on NASDAQ as the correct asset. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing, verifying the company name and ticker match ImageneBio Inc. and IMA. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, carefully review your order and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the purchase, the new position will appear in your portfolio, and a link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow this example.